Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to customize your Apple device with the new iOS 14 update using Widgetsmith, which is a new app that came out. I absolutely love this app because it allows you to change the widgets on your phone so that it can look cute and chic. And aside from that, I'm also going to teach you how to customize your mobile device's icons. So stay tuned. So once you've done the update and you've downloaded Widgetsmith, you want to go ahead and click on the app. And as you can see, there's different widgets here. So we can start off with small widgets here. So what that means is they're just smaller icons. We have medium-sized icons here, and then we have the large widgets here. So what you can do is click on the time. That's what I've done. And as you can see, you can change the time, the way the layout appears on your phone. So I currently chose the one here, the one that is highlighted in blue, but you can do that one. You can do the clock. It's totally up to you. You can also change the font here. You can change the tint color, so the text, and then you can also change the background color. How cool is that? So I've already set mine up, so I have the cream color here and everything's already set. So I've already set it as a default here. Now what you can do is customize the calendar too. So there's different layouts here to choose from, and you can do the same thing here. You choose the layout, you choose the font, and then you're able to select the tint color and background color. So I've already done that as well. Once you download this, it'll definitely make sense and it's so self-explanatory. So I've already have that here, right? So now if I go to my main screen, I'm gonna show you what I've done here on my phone. So I've already used the calendar here, and then I've customized the time. So the way to do that is you have to search on your phone, edit home screen, you go to the plus sign at the very top left-hand corner, you search the name of the app, which is Widgetsmith, you click on the app, and then this is where you select the widgets that we just created right now, which was the calendar and the clock. So once you click on that and add widget, it's going to add it. I already have it there, but I'm just showing you guys how it works. So we're gonna remove it for now. So yeah, guys, this app is pretty self-explanatory. Once you download it, you can see all the different things that you can do. You can customize your photos here, your calendar. So all the widgets on your iPhone, you can customize using this app. So I think that's pretty cool. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to customize the icons of the apps. Here I have my home screen and I have all the apps that I use on a daily basis. I have YouTube, my photos, Safari, and Pandora, and I've customized them by adding photos. And the way you do that is you want to go to shortcuts, and these are all the shortcuts that I've customized and added to my home screen. You want to go ahead and click on the plus sign on the very top right-hand corner, add action, app, choose, and it's going to list all of the apps on your phone. So you want to go ahead and select which one you'd like to customize. Let's do GarageBand. I'm going to click on the three little dots on the left, on the right. Shortcut name, we'll just put music. Let's name it music. Add to home screen, we're going to name it music. And then you're going to click on this icon right next to music, and it's going to allow you to select a photo. Choose photo. I'm going to go with this pretty pink one. And I'm going to add on the very top right, and then done. Okay, so it added it here, as you can see, and I'm going to go ahead and move it to my home screen so that it can be accessible. There you go. And let's go ahead and do another one. Again, you want to go to shortcuts, the plus sign on the very top right-hand corner, scripting, open apps, choose, and these are all the apps that you have to choose from. I'm gonna go ahead and let's do Ipsy. The 3 dots, I'll just put makeup. I want to add it to my home screen. Makeup again. I don't know why it has you name it twice, but okay. Makeup. And then go ahead and click, choose a photo. Let's do this one. I think this one's cute. Choose, add, done. And then it's going to add it to my phone, and then you drag it to your home screen. How cute is that, guys? So again, here's my home screen and all of my icons, my YouTube, Target, makeup, my iMovie. It's all customized with beautiful photos. And before you start doing this, you guys, just make sure that you have this background. I downloaded this background from Pinterest, and then just download all the photos that you want to use for your icons. And that is how you customize your phone so that it can be cute and chic. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.